Today's pretty exciting. We've had the bees in here for a week now. We're gonna open it up and check these out, see if the queens come out yet, see if they're playing nice with her and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and we're gonna go ahead and get into this and see what we got. Okay, like I said, we're doing our first bee inspection after we installed the box. It's been a week, and what's interesting is we got a lot of good pollen coming in and out of this hive right now. I am feeding them just to get them started, but they are hardly eating anything, which to me, again, I'm no bee expert of any sort. It just makes me think there's just plenty of food out here for them right now, so they're not really, I mean, they're eating a little, but I mean, this thing was full a week now, and you can see they've hardly eaten anything. So we'll pop this off. This isn't a super run here. This is just the way that I feed them. I got this board in here that has these jars that sit on it. So in order for the roof to sit on there, I need to add this, what would be a super. But it's not. So set this over here for now. Get my hive tool. See how well this is stuck down here. That's a good indication. Not too much. When we lift this up, we're just going to make sure the queen's not on here. We don't want to lose her. Don't see her on here, so let's go ahead and set this out front. There's a nice looking drone right there. You can definitely see the difference in size of things here. You can see they all look pretty happy. They're very tame right now, except for the one buzzing around my head. So yeah, we'll go ahead and pull a couple of these frames out here and see if they're doing in here. I mean, like I said, I already had this comb was already built out, so there won't be any whole lot of signs. It'll be interesting for me to see what they have done, because like I said, this is let's go ahead and pull them out and see what we got. We'll go and pull this one on the outside first. That'll give us a little room to work in here. Usually there's not too much action here on the outside of these yet, because I'm sure there's no eggs in here yet or anything like that. That would be awesome if there was, but you can see they're just kind of doing their thing. Not a whole lot going on here. Looks like they're just cleaning everything up. No queen here. So, but what we want to do is we want to get to the queen. So we'll go ahead and slide all these over. I don't even have any smoke out here. There's really no reason, because I'm protected pretty well. No reason to really get them too excited. Oh, this is heavy. The pollen on it, bringing back the pollen. You can see the legs on it. It's all covered. That's pretty awesome right there. There, see right there. It's got plenty of pollen bringing back. They're storing up, so this is good. So I'm going to get something to cut this, take this box off of here. Hopefully she's alive. They haven't killed her. They accepted her. So we'll come back. I'll come back next week and see if there's any larvae in here. If she started doing anything like that, which would be awesome. But for now, let me stick this down in here. This worked out really good with the idea I had for these, so worked out good. I'm just going to leave those on there. They're not hurting anything. Try to disturb this as little as possible. We'll take a look at one more, see if we see her anywhere. Like I said, for me, she's pretty hard to find. A lot of people, they're good at this. I'm just pretty new at this, so. And she'll have a longer torso on her, so she's a little bit easier to see, but like I said, I don't see her on here. They are filling this up. This one's pretty heavy also. Trying to build some comb out there. But yeah, I don't see her anywhere. Do see some drone in here though, so. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this frame back in here, close this up, let these ladies do their thing. Looks real good. Like I said, I don't see any larvae in here yet. This is a mated queen, so she could come right out and start laying, so it's not out of the question to see some. Ooh, this is another heavy one right here. It's another heavy one. They are filling this up for sure. Oh, there she is. Right there she is. Right there. Longer than everybody else. They're protecting her. She's moving around real good. So yeah, all right, that's awesome. Seems like they've accepted her. She's doing her thing. She's moving around. Put her back in here. That was awesome to get to see her. You know, you're always concerned with a new hive if they're going to go ahead and accept her or not, but looks like they did. And we're good to go on this thing. So hopefully she'll start laying get some larvae going in here, and we'll be in good shape. That's a good sign. All right, so we'll box this thing back up. I'm going to get this other top for it since, like I said, I'm not going to feed them anymore. They're doing well enough on their own. So I'm going to get this top for it, stick it on there, let these ladies, I should say, keep working. All right, that was pretty exciting. I'm usually not very good at picking out that queen, so that was pretty sweet. Be able to see her. Put this lid on here. All right, let's go over to this other hive. See if we have the same luck. Same here, weak. Like I said, they're not really doing a whole lot. So I don't think that's a really good sign to me. I've had a couple of these over the years and they just keep feeding and feeding and feeding. So it's nice to see that they're coming along on their own. Pry this off of here. Let's make sure the queen's not on here anywhere. I don't see her. This one to me was interesting because I thought it was bringing in a lot more pollen. But we'll see. This one's heavy. Full. Can you see that? Oh, they're starting to get they're capping this honey on this one. This one's all full. No queen in there. So she's out and about. See if we can spot her. So you can see they ate through that candy on the end. Released her. Nobody's in there. Good to go. All right. Go ahead and just leave these on here. Not going to hurt anything. Can't believe how much honey's on this thing. Must have smashed one. They don't like that. Send out all their friends. These guys are working. They're building up some brood on this. This was another one that I stuck on the inside just to this one's full of larvae. Wow, that is amazing. So this queen is active in here. I don't know if you can see those white from what you guys can see. But if you look in, you can see down in there. Let me try to hold this a different way. See the white down in there? That's all the larvae. So this queen is going to town already. Oh, hopefully you can see that. What down in there, you can see the whites down. This queen's good. She's working. Don't need to see her. She's doing her thing. That is awesome. Awesome. Wow. That's a week. It's got that much larva in there already. That's a really good sign. So, really, really good sign. So that one is going good, good, good. Wow, happy with both of these hives right now. Yeah, real happy with both of these. This is awesome. Seeing the queen in the one, seeing the larva in this one in a week. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So Real happy with that. We'll put this back together. Put the roof on it. Wow, that was really all good stuff right there. I mean, to see that much larva in there already, I'm sure it was on the same one over there, but I just couldn't really tell. And you don't really want to mess with them too much, very little. All I wanted to do was get in here today and see if the queen had got released. She got released. She's laying eggs, which is, man, that is fantastic. That's really good news. Seeing lots of pollen coming in, so that's all good. Whatever you call it. I call it pollen. I don't know what it is, but it's all good. So, wow, that is a really good inspection. Don't need to do a lot to these. Gosh, if it keeps going like this, probably, gosh, I hate to put a super on it this early, but I think last year it was April when I put one on. So maybe I'll go another 2 weeks, and then I'm probably going to have to, looking at how much honey they have stored up in this thing already. And again, they weren't eating a whole lot. Usually when you're feeding them a lot and they are living off of that sugar water, they're not doing that. So it's a good sign. So we'll give this one another week. I'll come back and check next week. And then who knows, might have to put a super on this thing already. That would be fantastic if that's the case. But all right, well, that's the inspection for today, and we'll check in next week.